Hey people, well after I showed you the that one avocado green Lakewood I recently got, thought we'd pay a revisit to the other one I have. This is the one I have that has the Marco motor. Not sure exactly what year this one's from, since Marco Motors never put the date on the motor, which I find very annoying. I'll just say it's a 73 or 74. But this is it. I'll have an overall look at this one. We'll fire it up. See, it's that avocado green color, just like the other one. This is my first Lakewood box fan to come in that color. View the other side. It does have a few scratches here and there. Yeah, and this grill here is kind of, it's got one slat missing here and there, and it's kind of busted in that corner. It's supposed to have an emblem, the Lakewood name tag there, like the other one does, and that one. But somehow fell off after this section got busted. And there's the back. The back grill's all there, but, well, it's got that one broken there. It's pretty much mostly all there, but it's pretty badly yellowed. It looks much yellower in person than it does on camera. And there's the Marco motor, which isn't very common on Lakewood box fans. Of course, a lot of y'all know the story. This one, when I first got it, the shaft was bent on the rotor, so I shipped the motor to my friend Val Morrison. He replaced the rotor in the motor. It has the rotor from like a 1983 K-223 Macmillan motor. The only difference is the shaft is a bit shorter than on the rotor for a Marco motor. And look at the top. It does have a bit of rust specks here and there on the top. And this is not the original handle. It did have a skinny handle like the other one does with the Westinghouse motor. And that one. But at some point in its life it must have broken in half. And you may not be able to see it real well, but yeah, it's held in by these screws. Someone had to drill holes for. And now I think we'll run it. Here's high. Medium. Low. Speeds on this run also run a bit fast, but not as fast as the one with the Westinghouse motor. Back to high. And as always, O-double-F spells Still has a pretty good coast down time. And there you have it. That's the 1973 to 74 Lakewood model P-223 in avocado green with the Marco motor. So, thank you for watching.